Replacing the filters on your Defender AV1000 air purification unit is an easy maintenance task to keep your unit operating at its optimal performance level. Please read the owner's manual and all warnings before performing any air purification unit maintenance. Do not use power tools to complete any step of this process to decrease the chance of damaging the unit. Wearing eye protection, a face mask, and gloves is recommended when handling filters. Before you start, ensure the unit's fan is off and the power cord is unplugged. Wait 1 minute to allow the fan to come to a complete stop. Use the large 8mm hex key provided to unlock and open the door on the front of the unit. Locate the filters on the diagram inside the unit. There are 3 filters: a MERV 8 pre-filter, a MERV 6 activated charcoal filter, and a true HEPA air filter. Changing the pre- and charcoal filters every 3 months and the HEPA filter every 12 months is recommended. Remove the old filters from their housing. Install the replacement filters, pushing them as far back into the housing as they will go. Make sure the arrows on the filters are pointing up for the correct airflow direction. Air circulates into the bottom of the unit and out the top. Before removing the old HEPA filter, ensure the unit is correctly attached to the wall. Pull the handle and slide the filter out toward you to remove the HEPA filter. Before installing the new HEPA filter, apply the provided lubricant to the gasket for easier installation. It is critical for the HEPA filter to fit snugly, so contaminants pass through the filter instead of around it. Close and secure the main door using the large hex key, ensuring all latches are secure. Plug the unit back into the outlet. You should see the initial startup screen. Wait until the Start Center screen appears and press the Start button to get the home screen to power the fan back on. Remember to reset the filter statistics after replacing the filters. Select Settings on the home screen and choose Pre-Carb Filter. Finally, press the Reset button. For the HEPA filter statistics, select Settings, then HEPA Filter, and then Reset. Remove and dispose of gloves and mask, then wash hands. Properly dispose of old filters utilizing recycling procedures in your area. To order replacement filters or to enroll in our filter subscription service, visit schaeferventilation.com/defender. For more information or assistance on your product, contact our customer care department at 1-800-641-6996 or visit us at pinnacleclimate.com.